Hello everyone, I've been posting a lot on herbal drink recipes of late and I've been getting mixed responses. While some of you are able to make the shift and move on to herbal drinks, some of you are finding it difficult to let go of the cup of chai that you're having with milk. I know the process is slow, it cannot happen overnight. So what I'm going to show you today is a much more healthier and tastier twist to the regular chai that we all make at our homes. I have picked this recipe up from a tea stall guy in Nadwara while I was touring Rajasthan, and it's just stuck with me. It's one of the best tea recipes that I have come across. So I would love to share this with you and I hope you guys can try this at home. So let's look at the ingredients now. So we'll have lemongrass, tulsi leaves, mint leaves, tea powder, crushed ginger, black pepper and jaggery. So I'm using jaggery instead of white sugar today. Try and avoid white sugar, processed sugars or artificial sweeteners as much as possible. You can use other alternatives like cane sugar, coconut sugar, date syrup or jaggery for that matter. So these are all healthier alternatives for the white sugar. So to the boiling water I've added tea powder. Now you can add it according to your taste. I add 1 tablespoon of tea powder per 1 cup of tea, but you can add it according to your taste. There's no hard and fast measurement here. So now to the boiling water and the tea powder I'm going to add lemongrass and tulsi leaves. Then goes black pepper, crushed ginger, jaggery. So after adding in the ingredients, I'm letting it simmer under low flame so that all the nutrients from the ingredients will seep in. So I have now added milk and the milk was pre-boiled. So here is the biggest secret of this recipe. You need to add mint leaves just before you strain the tea. You cannot let the tulsi leaves boil. You just have to add them a few seconds before you strain. So I have now added and I'm immediately straining the tea.